This next song is called Wich, and Wich means head in Dholuo. This is a song which is in a very unusual time signature for Nyatiti music, which is emphasized by the sound of the double bass, the rich atmospheric sound of the double bass, which comes together to create this very intimate partnership. This is a song which questions the link between identity and time. Can these two elements function independently? And how far back into the past can we reach to gather up everything that makes us who we are? This song answers that question.
Cargo yo tumka dwaro gawiye, cargo yo tumka ino dwaro gadala. Omera odigero nade, omera odigero nade, omera odagere luanda, omera odagere luanda. Moja mbili tatu, moja mbili tatu, moja mbili tatu, moja mbili tatu. Moja mbili tatu, moja mbili tatu, moja mbili tatu, moja mbili tatu. Achelaria de cachelaria de cachelaria de cachelaria de. Achelaria de cachelaria de cachelaria de cachelaria de. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. Cargo yo tumka dwaro gadala, cargo yo tumka ino dwaro gawiye, cargo yo tumka dwaro gadala, Cargo yo tumka dwaro gawiye. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys watching from home are also enjoying